welcome to Southern Handmade. My name is Patrick. I'm so glad you're here. Today we are entering the world of role-playing games, of fantasy, of creatures, of all those wonderful things. And we're making an ogre, but not just any ogre, it's the Ogre King. I'm very excited to show this to you. So let's get right into the sculpt. And with that, we've got the bottom half of the chair done. It is looking great. I sculpted this on my Twitch stream, twitch.tv/southernhandmade. I stream every Tuesday to Friday, 11:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. You should come check it out. But for now, let's get the details into that body by making some arms, a head, and finishing up the main sculpt. there we go with the body together. We are excited and ready to get some paint on this. So I baked it, primed it, and let's check out a painting time lapse. And now for the final reveal. And there you have it. We have an ogre. The Ogre King is sitting with, meat in hand and ready to take whatever requests you may have. I really loved how this one turned out. It's a lot of fun doing these custom pieces that are just sort of based on, taking some collections of ideas and trying to make something unique and new. I had a lot of fun with it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please let me know in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe for more. And of course, join me on the Twitch stream, twitch.tv/southernhandmade, Tuesday to Fridays, 11:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Of course, there's lots of videos here on the channel. But till next time, keep being awesome.